In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily stop location sharing on an iPhone for a short period of time without anyone knowing that. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. If someone, such as your family members, are tracking your location and you want to disable this feature for a short period of time without them knowing about that, I got a couple of tricks for you that you can use to do that. The first trick is to head over to Settings, then scroll down to Privacy and Security. That's where, at the very top, we can easily find location services. If we get into it, that's where we can find Share My Location. As you can see, currently I am sharing my location with my family member here. However, if we wanna stop doing that for a short period of time, or if we want to toggle that off at all, we need to tap at this toggle button next to Share My Location to stop sharing it with all the family members here. However, in that case, if we stop sharing our location in that way, they may open up their Find My app and it will show them that you've stopped sharing your location with them. To prevent that, we can use another trick, and it is turning on airplane mode. We can swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to bring up the control center, and that's where we can easily find this airplane icon. To activate airplane mode, we just need to tap on it. When this icon is highlighted with orange, it means that airplane mode turned on. And what does it mean? That all the network connection while this mode is on are stopped. So that's how we cannot allow our device to share our location, because while the mode is turned on, our device do not have the access to the internet itself. Once we leave our secret location that we don't want anyone to know about, we can just deactivate airplane mode to allow our device to be able to share our location again. However, the main disadvantage of this method is that while this mode is active, we ourselves cannot use the internet. So on airplane mode turned on, we cannot use any messengers, any social media platforms and the apps like that. However, it makes turning off our location for a while more natural and more kind of secret. If this video helped you guys, don't forget to hit the like button.